Ready to unlock the full potential of your sales process by tailoring your Zoho CRM blueprint to perfection. First, let's navigate to the Setup menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your Zoho CRM screen. This is your gateway to customization. Next, under the Automation section, select Blueprint. This is where the magic happens. Now, choose the blueprint you want to modify from the list. Click on its name to open its editor. Here's where you can edit the fields. Select the specific transition where you want to modify the fields. You'll see fields listed within the transition settings. Click on the field you'd like to customize. A properties panel will appear on the right side of the screen, giving you the ability to edit the properties. Within the properties panel, you can change the field label, mark it as required, modify its visibility, or even add a helpful description to guide your team. Make all the necessary edits. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save to apply them to the field and ensure they are reflected within the blueprint. Finally, and most importantly, click Publish to activate your updated blueprint. Without publishing, your changes won't take effect, and there you have it. By editing the fields within your Zoho CRM blueprint, you ensure consistent data entry and streamline your sales processes.